So while traveling Western Australia, I thought I'd make a quick video and show you my personal favorites for attractions to do in Perth. Perth is the sunniest capital city in Australia, but that's not even the most surprising thing about the place. In this video I'm going to share my top 10 Perth attractions and things to do in Perth, from free walking tours to hidden local foodie places to wildlife, wine and beaches, just 30 minutes from the city centre. Plus we'll talk about a local rock and roll legend who grew up in Perth. My name is Michael, let's get started. Do you want to explore Perth with a local? Then join the free guided city walking tour run by the City of Perth. Tours depart Monday to Saturday twice daily at 9:45 a.m. and 2 p.m. from the 𝗦𝗧𝗂𝗍𝗄𝗏 kiosk in Forest Place. Each walk lasts around about 90 minutes and there's no booking needed, just turn up. You can choose from a themed walking tours like an orientation tour, an art tour or a historic tour. So grab your walking shoes and start exploring. Looking to uncover Perth's coolest cultural pocket? Join a Northbridge walking tour, a guided city walk packed with street art, heritage sites and hidden local favorites. You can also explore this on your own, but having a local tour guide is so valuable for your overall experience. You wander through laneways with local art, pass buzzing coffees and explore multicultural history, including a stop at the Restore, a Northbridge icon known for its old-school Italian deli, gourmet foods and great coffee. Northbridge is perfect for food lovers, cultural seekers and curious travelers wanting to go beyond the usual tourism trail. If you want to dive into Perth culture, history and creativity? The Western Australia Museum and Art Gallery are right there and not far away from Northbridge. Explore these impressive sites to bring local culture and stories to life. Perfect for art lovers, history buffs and anyone wanting to understand Perth and Western Australia beyond the surface. Looking for the best views in Perth with stories to match? Then join the free guided walking tour of Kings Park and the Botanic Garden led by a knowledgeable local volunteer. The tours run daily at 10 o'clock, departing at the Fraser Avenue near the Visitor Information Centre. There's no booking needed, just turn up. Each tour lasts around about 90 minutes, taking you through native bushland, floral display, memorials and scenic outlooks, all while sharing fascinating insights about Western Australia, biodiversity and history. Right in the heart of Perth, 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗀 Quay blends waterfront vibes with modern architecture, public art and local bars, cafes and restaurants. Just a short walk away is the elegant Government House, a hidden gem with Victorian architecture, peaceful gardens and free public access on selected days. It's a relaxing escape right in the city, surrounded by heritage and greenery. Have you ever wondered what a real gold bar feels like? At the Perth Mint, you can hold one in your hands, watch molten gold pouring right in front of your eyes and dive into the wild stories of Western Australia gold rush days. It's not just a museum, it's a treasure trove of history, sparkle and surprises. Tours run 6 times a day, every hour from 9:30 onwards. They are very popular, so I recommend to book ahead. Just 30 minutes from Perth is Fremantle, a coastal gem full of history, art and vibrant street life. Did you know that the iconic rock and roll legend and AC/DC frontman Bon Scott grew up in Fremantle? His passionate singing style is reflected with his statue in the harbour area, a must visit for any rock and roll fan. Discover it all with a free walking tour led by a passionate local volunteer who brings Freo's stories to life. The tours are run daily at 11 o'clock, departing from the Fremantle Information Centre at King's Square. There's no booking needed. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button below to stay in touch for more helpful travel videos to come. Looking for the best beaches near Perth? You can't miss Scarborough and Cottesloe, 2 of Western Australia's most iconic coastal spots. Scarborough is perfect for surfing and oceanfront walks. Also, don't miss the Scarborough beach pool right by the waves. It's beautiful. over to Cottesloe, enjoy calm turquoise waters, Norfolk Point-lined lawns, and those famous Indian Ocean sunsets. Both beaches are just a short bus or train ride from the Perth CBD, making them ideal to include in your day trip of Perth. Just a 30 minutes ferry ride from Fremantle is a slice of paradise, Rottnest Island. It's car-free, laid back, and full of adventure. Rent a bike to explore the 60 beaches, go on a guided tour, and meet the island's happiest residents, the 𝗀𝗏𝗃𝗏. Snorkel the crystal clear bays and take a guided boat tour. Daily ferries run from Perth, the barracks in the central CBD, from Fremantle or from 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏, with return options in the afternoon or evening. That gives you a full day to explore. Whether you're into wildlife, history, or just soaking up the sun, Rottnest is a must-do. Just 25 minutes from the Perth CBD, the Swan Valley is Western Australia's oldest wine region and the perfect spot for a relaxing day trip. Join a guided wine tour or do a self-drive to visit boutique wineries, craft breweries, chocolate places, coffee roasters, and other artisan producers. There are full and half-day tours available from Perth, often with hotel pickup and lunch included. There's no planning needed, and you just enjoy the day. Do you want to experience the outback while in Perth? Then head north to the Pinnacles Desert in the 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 National Park, a jaw-dropping landscape of ancient limestone spires rising from the yellow sands. It's just about 2.5 hours drive one way from Perth. Tours run daily with pickups from the city. Explore the desert on foot or take a scenic drive through the dunes. Spot wild kangaroos and emus along the way. There's also a stargazing tour available in the evening. Right, this video gives you a quick overview on my favorite places here in Perth, Western Australia. If you're heading over to Australia for a longer trip, check out my video on the 3 weeks Australian itinerary up here as well as in the description box below. Thanks very much for watching. Catch you in the next video.